Sigma's 70 to 200mm sports lens was arguably the most anticipated lens announced in 2018. Its large aperture of f2.8 combined with high optical quality and durable design makes it highly sought after. It has a durable body crafted from magnesium alloy as well as a dust and splash proof coating throughout the barrel and front elements, using 9 FLD and 1 SLD glass elements that are designed to minimize flare and ghosting. As you can see from this image here, even shooting directly into the sun, you get barely any flaring at all. It also has a rotating barrel with a 90-degree click and 3 programmable buttons on the side of the barrel, which is set for autofocus, but in your camera you can set to anything. The lens has 2 OS modes that are controlled with a switch on the side of the barrel. Mode 1 is good for general photography, and Mode 2 is designed for panning. This preset ensures your subject's movements are captured without losing panning effects regardless of your lens's position or the direction you're moving. This is thanks to the lens's built-in image stabilization function. The Sigma 70 to 200mm also has a hypersonic motor with an improved algorithm and manual override switch, making this a great sports lens allowing for high-speed precision autofocus so you can capture quick movements without any blurring. Right now it's available for the Nikon, Canon, and Sigma mounts. While it can be adapted with the MC11 for Sony, I had a hard time getting it to focus continuously with video. For photos, I had no issue at all. If you're in the same position, I'd recommend holding off until the E-mount version comes out or a firmware update is released. This is the third and final addition to what Sigma refers to as the Big 3 f2.8 zoom lenses that can cover a focal length from 12mm all the way to 200mm. It is now available at focuscamera.com at a price of just $14.99, making it considerably cheaper than other lenses in this class. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great lens reviews.